Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a really good weekend. Today, I wanted to talk to you about your first exam that will be happening tomorrow, yes, on July the 11th. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Blackboard as usual, and you want to come over on this section right here and you want to click on Assessments. So you will do that and it will bring up the assessments. The first thing that I have listed for you is a practice exam, and you can take this if you want to or not. It is just 5 short questions and you will know the answers, I promise, okay? You can complete this for bonus points if you want to. It is available now to you, and it will be available until tomorrow morning on July 11th until 8 a.m. So just 5 really short questions. Basically, it's just to make sure that you have a good internet connection and that everything is working on your end, and then everything is working on my end once you submit your exam. So it's really short and simple, and you can get 5 bonus points for that if you would like to do it. Once again, you don't have to do it. Okay, so Exam 1 will be tomorrow, and it's going to cover chapters 1 through 7. I posted a study guide for you last week, I think, on that. The test is going to follow that study guide exactly, okay? Exam 1 does have 150 multiple choice questions. Normally my tests are not that long. However, since this is a short semester, I do have to put quite a few more questions on there, just so that we can cover all the content. So it is 150 multiple choice questions. It does cover chapters 1 through 7, but I promise it's just going to follow along with that study guide. You do have 3 hours to complete that test, okay? So 3 hours to complete that test. The test is going to open at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can see that it says it will be available July 11th at 8 a.m., okay? So if you want to start that test at 8 a.m., you are more than welcome to do that. And then you can see that it is due by 11:59 p.m. that night, okay? So once you open that test, you have, like I said, 3 hours to take it. So if you want to start that test at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, you will have to 12 o'clock. If you want to start it at 12 o'clock, then you have till 3 o'clock, okay? Once you open that test, though, you can't stop it and then start it again. That timer is just going to keep on going. So it does not matter to me when you start it, but once you do start it, it's going to start that countdown of 3 hours. I do recommend that you don't wait until the last minute. Like, don't wait till maybe 8 o'clock, or, well, yeah, that might be too late. But yeah, don't wait till like 8 o'clock to start, or 8:15. Who knows what might happen. Your power might go out, or a storm come, or who knows, but don't wait till then. I might start just a little ahead of time. If something does happen, and you are kind of late taking that test, say you're in the middle of it and it's like 10:30 or 10:15 and something messes up, go ahead and email me. Get that email in so that I can see that you emailed me before the 11:59 cutoff. If I don't respond to you, just don't panic, because I'll probably be in the bed asleep, but don't panic. I will see when I wake up in the morning that you did email me before that 11:59 cutoff, and we will take care of that the next day, and we will get you situated, and I can go in and see what happened or what messed up. So don't panic, if that does happen. So I think that's about it. Chapters 1 through 7, 150 multiple choice questions. 3 hours to take it. It will be up at 8 a.m. on July 11th, and it will close at 11:59 on July the 11th. So if you have any trouble, just call me, email me, or come by my office and see me. I think that's all. So you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.